Hi everyone, welcome to Desilicious kitchen. Today we are going to see how to make sambar using mooli, mullangi or radish as the main vegetable. This sambar has been made using sambar powder which we have made at home. You can see the recipe in our channel. So let's see how to make it. First wash the lentils and then transfer it to a cooker. Add water. Add in fenugreek seeds or methi seeds. Add turmeric powder. Close the lid. Put on the weight and pressure cook until soft. In the meanwhile, soak some tamarind in warm water. Let's begin by chopping the main ingredient, that is the radish. First peel off the skin and then chop them into roundules like this. Heat oil in a pan. We have used sesame seed oil. Add in the onions. These are sambar onions, the small onions. But if it is not available, you can use the regular onions also. After stirring the onions for about a minute, add in green chillies and curry leaves. Add in a little turmeric powder and red chilli powder. Mix well and stir. Now add in the radish. Our flame is medium. After about a couple of minutes, add in tomatoes. Mix well and give it a good stir. Add in the chopped drumstick. Mix well and stir. We have given all the ingredients and proportions in the description box below. Do check it out. Add very little water. Do not add too much water as both radish and tomatoes tend to leave out water. Now cover and cook for about 4 or 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, open it and add in sambar powder. Mix well. There is a little moisture still in there, so there is no danger of the sambar powder getting burnt. Now add in the tamarind water. Again mix well. Add some salt. Add jaggery. I prefer to add salt in installments instead of adding everything at one go. Now add in the mashed dal after the tamarind water has come to a boil. Mix well. Keep stirring. You may have to add warm water if you want to make it a little more diluted. So adjust the consistency as you desire. Our sambar has come to a boil, so we have switched off the flame and covered it. In the meanwhile, in a small pan, add in some oil. Add mustard seeds when the oil is hot. When the mustard seeds crackle, add in fenugreek seeds or methi dana. Add red chillies. Add a little turmeric powder. Add a little red chilli powder and curry leaves. Now add in some asafoetida powder or hing. Now let's add this tempering to the sambar. There goes the tempering. Wow, and the sambar just smells so aromatic. The entire house is smelling of the sambar. Now let's serve this sambar in a bowl. Do try out this recipe, and if you like it, do not forget to subscribe, like, comment and share. See you with another video soon.